Alright, so I've laid out the area that I want to cut out, and I'm going to use the little pneumatic saw. Still thinking about things, but I think it should be okay. So let me set the camera up so you guys will be able to see it. And naturally I will focus in as close as I can without hopefully being in the way. Oh yeah. Yep. That's some wishful thinking there. I can't even budge that with the pliers. It's folded pretty well in there. So I'm gonna let it cool, and then I'll cut it out too, and reform it, and perhaps what I'll do is extend, I don't know. Yeah, I'll have to cross that bridge when I get there, but well, there's a start. Just got to pick up the tools and get to it and learn as we go. Be right back. All right, everybody, I just used the cutoff wheel with a brand new 4.5-inch wheel. I didn't go in too far, but I did cut the top and the bottom both at the same time, and you can see I've drilled a hole so that I can get in there with the little saw. I've discovered there are a few broken teeth on this little saw, on the blade actually, that make it kick out. So I'll just be careful. Pretty neat, actually, this little toy. when I put the guard up against the metal, the vibration keeps it moving. I'll be right back. All right, I needed to get a screwdriver so I could get into this here. Yeah, that thing got worked over. Ton of rust in there still. Noisy. All right, that lined up both of the cuts together. Yeah. I'll just fit a new piece of metal in there. That'll be fine. All right. Ooh, it's a little warm. All right, so I've been working on this little piece of metal here to go in here. And it's pretty darn close. I didn't cut this on the back right up to the line. It's better to ease into the line. Measure 14 times, double check twice, measure again, triple check the double check, and then ease your way into it. So far I have about 20 minutes, 15 minutes into this little piece of metal, but I don't want to do it again. Wow, that's it's not straight back there on the bottom. Sometimes I get lucky. You gotta see this. So up against something straight, you can see how crooked my piece of metal, patch-in metal is, and I just eyeballed the one in the back there. Let's see if I can show the relation. I don't know if you can see in there, but that's pretty darn close. I have to spread it open just a bit, and then I can tack weld it in. All right, well, that fits really well, and the seams are pretty much all flush. I can't see the screen, so I hope that's coming in not blurry. I have to work this part of the metal here and right here, bring that out a little bit here, bring that out a little bit, and maybe bump that area down, and then make a patch for that, and tack weld it in and call it good. Doing this type of work for me is not common, so once I get going, I get a little bit better at it. I'm not a body man. I'm just some guy under a shade tree, literally playing with metal and just using the tools and the skills I've acquired of operating the tools over the years of using them, you know, putting them to good use. You know, if I can do it, someone else can too. And I think now that I've seen this was the most difficult piece to do, I think I will cut that out. Yes, because they didn't even, whoever put this on didn't even weld it underneath. We'll look at that later. All right, so I rolled everything up. The patch came out pretty well where the dent was. I think the next trick I'm going to try is lead to make that smooth. That would have been an acceptable process back in the day. So I'll have to watch some videos on how to do that, and what I need to clean the metal and all that good stuff. All right. Thanks for watching my video.